I'm Brian with Capital Robotics. Kind of want to go over a couple things with you guys. Setting up your new Welbee P500L in this case by OTC Downhand. What you see here upon unpacking the machine is going to be a torch, in this case set up for steel, a gas hose, your feeder CM742U, and the welding machine itself. Let's dive in and go ahead and getting this thing set up. First item on the list is we'll take off the cover to expose the weld leads. Positive goes on the right. This will end up connecting to your feeder. Negative goes on the left. This is going to terminate on your workpiece or ground table. And go ahead and reassemble the cover back on to the machine. Next item on the list is to connect the feeder to the welding machine itself. Got the positive lead we just connected. It's going to slide through the clamp, come through here. 3 screws need to be removed on this panel. It allows access to the inside of the feeder. And this cable terminates to the junction right beside the wire feeder itself. Once that's tightened up, panel back on, 3 screws to mount the panel back on again. Once you secure the panel back to the feeder, your next connection can be the gas hose. Make sure it's snug. Next connection will be the feeder connection to the actual welding machine. Next item on the list is the connection of the torch onto the feeder. Torch slides in, clicks with the O-ring. Torch switch will connect only one way, notch to the top, screw it on. 2 wires get connected, color coded. Next, open up the drop panel, expose the feeder, install our water spool. Retaining nut is left hand thread. Again, left hand thread on. Expose the feeder, drop the knobs, raise the pressure rolls. Snip the wire. Go ahead and feed it into the feeder and drive rolls. Drive rolls go down. One key note, don't forget to adjust the pressure knob right here, thumb wheel. That's going to affix the torch to the feeder. And if you look right here, there's a guide that shows you pressures exactly for what wire and what diameter you're using. In this case, we got 045 wires, steel, 1.2 millimeter diameter. Is telling me the 4 to 5 setting. We'll adjust those knobs. This one's done. Lid goes closed. Thumb knob closes the feeder. Now that the feeder is attached to the welding machine itself, that pretty much sums up the installation of the machine. Next on the item list would be confirmed voltages from your facility and the welding machine itself. The Welbee lineup has multiple machines with multiple incoming voltages. Just want to double check that and make sure everything corresponds. Last thing to do is plug it in, you're ready for production. This LED will show you that the power is terminated to the machine. You can turn the machine on, LED is going to show you a welcome sign, also display a bunch of different LEDs for different parameters, but don't be intimidated. It's really quite easy once you take it step by step.